What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are going to cover something that has been bothering me for the longest: how to fix your Evo 8, Evo 9 gas door, which doesn't open when you pull the lever. Finally, I figured out how to fix this. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So before I do continue with this, huge shout out to Anthony, Slow Evil Sir, on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram here. He posted this on his story and I was like, holy crap, like I don't know why. First of all, both Evos have this issue that when you pull the lever, the gas door doesn't open. I never thought anything of it. Like I was like, oh, whatever. Like it wasn't that big of a deal because in this car in specific, I literally just go like this and it opens. And for the red one, it does not open, like at all. So the previous owner contacted me and he told me that I had to put something here and hold the lever up and then go over there with a credit card and open the gas door, which was crazy. And then I saw this on Anthony's story and I was like, what the hell? Like this seems like such a freaking easy fix. Like I couldn't believe I didn't spend some time on Google and just searched it to see how to fix the issue, but it's just a clip. This is the part number, so whoever I guess has this issue, you guys could get this part and fix it yourself. It's literally a small little clip. I did search online. I didn't see any videos, which is the reason I'm creating this, but there are a couple of forums on Evolution M that talk about it. The main factor is this little clip right here is plastic. It breaks on every single Evo probably, and it doesn't last that long. So I'm gonna cover how to fix this. This might be your issue. I know it's gonna be a quick video. It's super simple to fix, but I just thought like I had to cover it. I had to cover it because I was with this Evo. How long have I had this Evo for? 3 years already? 3 years, and I never fixed that issue, and it is probably something super simple. So we're gonna try it out. I literally just got it on the mail. We're gonna try to install this. It seems like I just slide it in, close it, and then it should work. So let's see. Let's do the gray one first. Hopefully it does fix it. I do hope that this helps people out because again, 3 years, insane for just a little clip. And then we finally just got, literally after 3 days of me making that previous video, we just got the drain bolt for the Red Evo. So I still haven't put the filter. I'm gonna put the filter, put oil on the red, and then we'll continue from there. But let's go ahead and see how to change this and fix my gas door on the GG Evo. And just to make sure that you guys do understand what I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys do, but when I pull this lever, the gas lever, it does click on the door, but like I was telling you guys, the door doesn't open. So I'm assuming it is that clip and it is missing. So let me go ahead, open this how I used to always. Mine was super easy, I don't know why, but the red one doesn't open. And where this clip goes is very weird. There's a little hole here. Let me see if I see it. I'm gonna have to maybe get a flashlight, or you know what, let me record with flash. Now real quick, I'm recording with my phone so you guys can see what I mean. But there's a clip here that has a hole, and what I'm going to do is literally slide this in here and make sure that this little hole right here in the middle clicks where it needs to click. I'll show you guys, I'll do it, and then I'll show you guys the finished result so you guys know how to fix it. That's so crazy. Guys, this is literally the simplest thing ever. I already installed the clip and it's just literally sliding it in, making sure that that little circle clips in on the tab. And then as you guys can see now, I pull the tab and it just pops open. 3 years of this crap. 3 years and I never fixed it. Let's go ahead and see if the red one is as simple as the other one. So same thing here. I do it, and the rear view mirror is twisted so you guys won't be able to see, but I do it and the other side doesn't open at all. I have to hold this lever up like this, put something in here, Once I have this held up, then with a credit card, I'll slide it through here and open it. Which, again, super simple fix, man. Anthony, you're the man for this. Are you guys ready to see what I had to do with the red one? You have to hold it in a gas station. Either tell somebody to hold the lever for you, which is kind of awkward and weird, but I gotta hold it up, slide this in between, and now that it's up, and now come to the gas door, and with something like this, slide it in carefully, because again, I don't want to mess this paint up at all. Slide it up and open it. Insane. So I see that it is the exact same way. I don't know again if you guys can see it, but do you guys see that little hole there? That's the hole that you're trying to put the clip in. Just clip it there and it is good to go. I'm gonna try to record this one better since there's better lighting. Obviously you guys can now kind of see what I'm doing, but let's go ahead and do it on this one and hopefully this fixes our issue. This is literally all it takes. Again, I'm putting that little circle in and making sure that it clips where that circle is. So slide it in. Once you hear that clip, that means that it literally clipped on the hole. I should be able to close this, and there, that's that spring action. That's gonna help it open. So lock it, and now let me see if it opens with the tab. Let's see, will it open? I heard something. And just like that, it opened, which is crazy. Crazy to think. God, a simple $2 clip. Now I can open both of my gas doors. What? This is the type of stuff that I mean that like when you don't do your research, like it could be so simple and you just think it's super complicated, so then you just don't even research it. And this was, it literally took me like 5 minutes, guys. I'm not even kidding. The clip costs like $2 or $3. I'm going to link it down below so you guys could purchase it directly from where I purchased it. I think it was eBay, and it got here in like 2 or 3 days. Again, Anthony, you're the man for this. Like I swear to you guys, since the lever wasn't opening the gas door, I thought something was wrong with the mechanism. It's obviously mechanical. It's like a little cable that pulls the clip. So I thought I was gonna have to remove the interior, see where the cable was either kinked or broken or something like that. And that's why I never tackled this task. And I am almost sure, knowing how crazy I am with my Evo, I am almost sure there's so many Evos out there that have this issue. It's literally a 5-minute fix. You just get the clip, pop it in exactly how I popped it in. Something so simple like this, we could all do it, fix our gas door caps. I know this video is super simple, but I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm literally just gonna make this video on this gas door thing because I am almost sure there's so many Evos out there that have this issue, and we're just prying our gas doors with the credit card. And even the GG Evo, that paint on that gas door has been scraped since I bought it. And I'm assuming it happened because somebody was putting a key. Instead of putting a credit card, something soft, people put keys and they bend it, and you could be one of those too. Let's not do that to the Evos, man. Let's just take care of them, keep them going. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys the bolt that I've been waiting for ever, so you guys can see what I meant. I've literally been waiting for this bolt for the past 3 days. I don't know what happened with Amazon Prime, but it's here. This is the bolt I was talking about when I didn't change the oil on the red one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it on the right side of the screen right now. It's a magnetic bolt and it has the crush washer already from Greddy. Just peace of mind, honestly. It's a very good magnetic bolt. It costs like 15 or 20 bucks shipped to my door. So why not go the extra step and actually change it? So now I'll go ahead and put this bolt on the oil pan, put the filter, I'm gonna go with the OEM filter, and the red is gonna have new oil, new filter, and a new drain bolt.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time,
just like that, both Evos have new oil. Finally, after 3 days of that bolt not getting here, we are set to go. I know this video was super short, but I want to keep it short that way because I just want to go straight to the point with that gas door. It's insane to me that I waited 3 years to fix that or research it, because it's honestly so simple. So I hope a couple of you guys have this same issue and you guys get to fix it now. Again, I'll put the part number down in the description. I'll put the oil drain, the drain bolt in the description as well, so you guys could get it there. Like always, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps me out tremendously. And if you found any value in this video, I would appreciate you if you do that. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, which is going to be the undercarriage cleaning. I just wanted to get this video out because as soon as I saw that, I was like blown away. So simple. Stuff like that make me happy. So I'm happy it got fixed. Again, thank you, Anthony, for posting that on your story, and I saw it. I'm gonna end it there. Like always, keep grinding, and I'll see you guys next weekend. Take care.
Sweet talk.